G'day, I'm Scott Gibbons. I'm here with Christian Bolt. Christian, one of the things that people are buying now is sway control?
Yeah, stability control, yeah.
Stability control.
So there's a few different ones out there on the market. You've got your Alco ESC, you've got your Tucson TSC, you've got your Dexter DSC, Camex CSC, and there are also other models out there as well. But
wow.
Yeah, the first four that I mentioned are ones that we're licensed in installing.
So you're accredited to install those, which
Absolutely.
means that people then get a full warranty?
Yeah, that's right. So the units will come with a warranty card. If you were to buy the unit and install it yourself, if anything goes wrong, then you're liable.
Oh, right.
Yeah, so with the warranty card, it asks for the name of the company that installed it.
Yeah.
We put that information down, send it through, just in case there was ever any issues.
And they're such a good idea that insurance companies are now supporting it?
Yeah, so you can actually get a rebate now from your insurance company if you have one of these fitted either from new or retrofitted by us.
That says a lot. Now, importantly,
yes,
what does it do?
Yeah, so what it does is it's a module that sits under the chassis of the Caravan.
Yeah.
And it will identify when there's a sudden movement, sway in the Caravan or trailer, and it applies the brakes to the side of that vehicle that's needed to bring it back into alignment.
So it brings it back. So where people used to try and either drive through a sway or hit their brakes for a sway and maybe have a calamitous problem, this
does it for you. And it's great because if you don't have the experience in towing, like a lot of, like say yourself or myself, and you don't know what to do in those situations, you don't have to, this will do it for you.
That is genius. So how do people get one?
So best way to do it is to visit us on our website, which is boldtcrc.com.au. We have 3 accredited installers here within the workshop. You can call us on 02 8544 8114 or come down to the factory, which is Factory 1, 82 to 84 Bellingara Rd, Miranda.
So boldtcrc.com.au, but importantly, if you do come down, you're going to see their brand new premises, which is 2.5 times the size of your previous premises.
Yeah, and the bonus on top of that is we now have the big retail shop as well.
Big retail shop, but people can drive in. You don't have to reverse your van in, so when you bring it down, just drive straight in. They'll unhitch for you. Takes about...
to have one of these installed, about half a day to install.
About half a day.
Yeah, we ask the customer to bring it in the morning and then pick it up that afternoon.
Oh, fabulous. So to get yours, bold, tcrc.com.au. Thank you, Christian.
Thanks, Scott.